Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by setting the iron to the fabric's recommended temperature. Cotton tolerates higher heat, blends need lower. Once set, turn the pants inside out to protect finish and align seams on the board so fabric lays flat. You should smooth pockets and close zippers to avoid snags. Start at the waistband and press small sections briefly. This establishes crisp alignment and removes major wrinkles before you move to larger surfaces. You now handle one leg at a time to maintain control and consistent results. Lay the leg flat and smooth with your hand, then fold it so the side seams match. This lines up the natural crease. Use the iron with steam and apply firm, steady pressure from thigh to hem to set the crease. For delicate or coated fabrics, place a pressing cloth between iron and fabric. It protects fibers while permitting the heat and steam to shape the crease. You finish by inspecting the waistband, seat, and pocket areas, touching up small wrinkles with brief presses so the overall look is uniform. Once satisfied, hang the pants immediately on a clip hanger to keep the crease sharp and prevent new wrinkles. If you notice shiny spots, stop and test on a seam. Use lower heat or a damp pressing cloth to reduce shine and avoid direct high heat on synthetics. This preserves fabric appearance and prevents damage.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.